In every vision, complete delight, with wit and charm, a splendid sight. Each a tribute, a gem so rare, humor's brilliance fills the air. Insight and ingenuity combine, a unison of laughter divine. Whimsical flavors, a tapestry of glee, unleashing joys for all to see.
Savor the moment, enjoy, reroam the drama, unplug the comedy room with sex and pleasantry. The stage is set a romp of wit, and jubilant do it. Every trait shine with character bright, a verse of jocularity, pure delight, a marking the body, a playful delight, wordplay, its charm, an entire ballet.
Let's tap into the world of mirth and explore happiness, expanding our worth, the salt and spice of banter and cheer, a complete experience so crystal clear.
In this perilous queue of life, a grand bazaar, a carnival of joy, where gesture our star utilize the power of laughter's embrace, a love affair with humor, a tender chase. With grace and elegance of romance unfold, a total immersion, a story untold, a pull of excitement in every beat, a bulwark of wit, our heart and treat, savor the comic, unplug the drama.
So step into the terrain of comedy's play, with brilliance and charm, paint a joyful ray. Open the doors to laughter's exposition, a symposium of joy, a soul's ignition. Savor the comic, unplug the drama.
In every wit and every charm,
a display of brilliance, full and warm, with zest and spice, we celebrate the virtues that in us resonate. Each characteristic a mark so true, a flavor that adds to the life we pursue. In every body, a complete whole, a trait that penetrates heart and soul. With ingenuity, we open our vision, insight and wisdom, our lifelong mission. Excitement fills the air, the atmosphere, a total immersion we hold so dear.
With jocularity and playful chats, we tap on joy, feeling truly blessed. A milk of humor brings to light, a pleasantry shared day or night. No drama here, only comic, rescue laughter, a story untold, a most grace, a clever line utilized wordplay, the genius shines. In every feature, a burst of glee, and a tribute that sets us free. The sum of parts, a whimsical art, unplugging sorrow, we make a fresh start. In every charm, a spark of romance, a savory flavor, a fleeting chance, the bazaar of life, an expo of love. Savor the comic, unplug the drama, a pump of joy, lifted high above.